Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Ashley Zimmy. You don't know, so they are back with our next banger video. However, this video is going to be a voiceover, Zimmy people, so I want to stay tuned, see me. I want you to go on running you through the steps real quick. Alright, people, so as you can see, I have all of my things them cut up, you see me, chicken cut up, onion, scallion, and everything cut up. Cause right now I'm hungry, you know, guys, you see me. Not no lie, so chop everything for the chicken, you see me. Cause we make that marinate and we get some seasoning for the same time, so just watch how go on. Alright, people, so everything drop on the chicken now, so season time, you see. So the first season we're gonna get a Maggi chicken season. You don't know some Maggi chicken season, or like the best seasoning them use pan your chicken, people, see me. So wanna check that out. You see me, not sponsored, but we have to big them up same way because them things shot, you see me. So yeah, we drop on that pan chicken. We get a next season for the same time, so same time, I want to drop in the comments if you want more videos like this, you see me. But right now, we get on the all-purpose, Maggi all-purpose, you see me. Yeah, I have one more season to come. I think that will be, yeah, the dash season. We drop on that quick and fast, you see me, because as me say, we are work on time, because we're hungry. So yeah, we are match up that real quick, mix it in. So stay tuned and watch how go on, you see me. Alright, people, so we are getting some salt, you see me. Yeah. After we do that, we want to get a mix. So everything can combine, you see me. So we are do that right now. I mix it in right now, people, you see me. Everything I mix up nice. And you know, so we are left that over side to go and marinate same time. So yeah. Yeah, people, so right now, wait. So now we're adding curry powder, you see me. This is what's gonna make the difference. So, Mommy, add a little bit, then we're gonna see if it need a little bit more. So, yeah, mix it in to see how much more we're gonna need for adding, you see me. So, yeah, that me I do right now. So, yeah, I see me add a little bit more right there. So, yeah, mix it in again. I will keep on, we'll just keep on do that until she say, yo, it have the right color we desire, isn't it? Alright, people, so this is the final product, you see me. So it have the right color we want, so we'll make it stay like that, you see me. We'll not add no more apart from when we're gonna burn it. So right now we're gonna burn it. As you can see, we're adding the curry powder. We're gonna do it a mix. You have to do it quick, because when you do it quick, curry powder will all just get black and spoil the whole dish. So you have to do it fast. So right now I got some drop in the chicken quick and fast and make them go and fry it. Alright, people, check in again, you see me. So the chicken need to go and fry for about 5 minutes, you see me. So we'll give it a little toss and turn again. Looking to see what go on. So right now it's not fully catch the color, but as it progress, like now, you can see the color it actually have. So what we want to do here, so we want to make it fry a little bit more, and then we add in some water, make it go and cook the right way so it can fall off the bone when you eat it. You know, chewy, you see me. Want it to have a good texture. Alright, people, so as you can see, we get the water in there, you see me. So we'll cover it up. So we check in back again right here. As you can see, the chicken is almost fully submerged, you see me. So really and truly, you want to do this 2 to 3 times. If you do it 2 to 3 times, trust me, you'll get the right texture. You see me? Everything will fall off the bone, everything will go nice and soft. You see me? So that is how you want to do it. You want to get a little toss and turn, and then you cover it up. But through my video, I want to see what going on in the pot. So yeah, we just take in what going. Alright people, so to see what I go on. Right now we get the rice wash, you see me? So this will be the first wash. And you know, so I'll do this twice. But what we want to do, we want to put a little bit of water in the pan with the rice. So we can use the friction to wash the rice. Because when you put too much water in the rice, people, it just like a swim. Yeah, so we drop piece of butter in the rice same time. You see me? Because you don't want it to stick together too much. And you know, you can add other things where you want to put. If you want to put salt, if you want anything you want to put in the rice basically. Then you have the chicken. Again, you see me, it's been going for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, yeah. So you can see me adjust the exposure. I want to see the true color of the chicken, you see me. Yeah, so I go and mix it around, make it go and cook. So I'm stay tuned. Alright people, so the chicken done now, you see me, so I want to take a look. Yeah, it's looking good, you see me people. So we want to know, want to get a side dish, want some veggies on it. So that we're gonna match up real quick. So right now guys, we just get the lettuce wash, you see me. We want to break off some of the limbs so we can wash it thoroughly, you see me. We don't want the dirt on it when we put it on the plate, you see me. And also we are gonna cut it up so it's more easier to deal with it. You know, like when people serve it like a big piece of lettuce and you say, yo, I'm gonna cut this up in a smaller piece.
You want peeps, so as you can see, rice will steam out and finish. So right now, we're just jumping at the sharing, because my mom did tell me early and hunger kill me. So right now, I get my rice plate out and thing. As you can see, I get my curry chicken on my plate same time, because I'm in the kitchen now. I see your courage, yeah man, so watch out. Yeah man peeps, as you can see, I just getting some extra gravy. And look for my food. You see right now, just jumping into stay tuned.
Well people, to quick mash up the food, plate wash and go back in Nigeria. So yeah man, that is it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. You see me? One Pappy. What you say? That is it.